A solid is a state of matter that has a definite shape and volume.
This is what particles of a solid look like.
Sugar is an example of a crystalline solid, which is a solid made up of tiny crystals. Welcome back to Cooking with Bessie Butterworth.
Why, hello there, my buttercups. I did not see you there. Oh, it is such a butterful day outside. The birds and the butterflies are all flopping around and all that jazz. Now today, we're going to be cooking with my favorite amorphous solid. An amorphous solid is any non-crystalline solid that doesn't have a set molecular pattern. And rather than turn into a liquid, it softens and then melts. Now, I think you could guess what my favorite amorphous solid is. Butter. Now, we're going to set our oven to 360 degrees. We could set it to butter, but, you know. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pop this little butter inside. Okay, it's done! Now, look at this butter! Melting point, the particles of a solid substance are vibrating so fast that they break free from their fixed positions. In this example, the melting point is at 90 degrees Celsius.
Liquid, a state of matter that has no definite shape but a definite volume.
Go!
This is a demonstration of viscosity, which is the resistance to flow.
Let's go!
We have honey and water in this race today. We will see who shall finish first. Go!
Am I running?
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ba 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 ba.
Evaporation is the process of a substance in a liquid state changing to a gaseous state due to an increase in temperature and or pressure. Evaporation is a fundamental part of the water cycle and is constantly occurring throughout nature.
Okay, ready? Go. At its freezing temperature, the particles of a liquid are moving so slowly that they begin to form regular patterns. In this example, it shows that the freezing point is at 0 Celsius.
Any liquid turned into ice or another solid as a result of extreme cold.
Stop the video. Ice.
Like Elsa!
Moving to Disney. Gas. A state of matter that has no definite shape or volume. Guys, I finished it. Oh, wait, I think I deleted it. Not this kind of pressure. Pressure, you know, force per unit area.
Another one.
This soda can is an example of condensation. Condensation is the change from the state of gas to a liquid.
Sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from the solid to the gas phase without passing through the intermediate liquid phase.
Boyle's law. Boyle found that when the pressure of a gas is increased at a constant temperature, the volume of the gas decreases. When the pressure is decreased, the volume increases. Charles's law. Charles found that when the temperature of a gas is increased at a constant pressure, its volume increases. When the temperature of a gas is decreased at a constant pressure, its volume decreases. Hear ye, hear ye. By order of the king, the law of conservation in mass will be taken into account as soon as possible. The principle states that matter cannot be created or destroyed. That will be all today. Carry on, loyal subjects.
This is a demonstration of kinetic energy, which is all matter in motion.
Release the beast! I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on.
As the paper burns, it releases chemical energy. As a result of burning, the paper becomes a whole new substance. Potential energy is energy stored in an object. By stretching the elastic band, this releases potential energy.
Katie, what are you doing?
This charger is an example of an electrode. An electrode is an electrical conductor used to make contact with a non-metallic part of a circuit.
This is a demonstration of electromagnetic energy, which travels through space in waves.
Matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space.
Like my ninja stick! I got it. Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. Do you want to hear a joke? Never trust an atom. They make up everything. This is an example of a physical change. I'm ready?
By splattering food coloring on Rachel's white shirt, it shows that though the appearance of the substance changes, its chemical properties stay the same. This is why it's an example of a physical change.
Go. Chemical change is any change that results in the formation of new chemical substances.
Are you serious? I just wasted so much.
No, put a little bit more.
You have to put like more. Well, now with the.
There, here it comes.
We can cut this thread off. Can we just pour it out of the bottle? You know what? Film this. Volcano!
I'm carbon proof, nothing to lose, born neon and tin. Nitrogen, iodine, fluorine, mercury, oxygen, and iron too. I'm titanium, helium, and krypton too. I'm titanium.
A molecule, a particle made of two or more atoms bonded together.
Da-dun, 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 da-dun.
We are
Each
substance!
A mixture, two or more substances that are mixed together but do not chemically combined. This oil and water shows that each substance in a mixture keeps its individual properties. Also, the parts of a mixture are not combined in a set ratio.
A pizza is an example of a heterogeneous mixture, a mixture where you can see the different parts.
As you can see all the different parts on the pizza.
Such narration.
This is a demonstration of a homogeneous mixture, which is a mixture where you cannot see the parts. This Kool-Aid is also an example of a solution.
Oh, so I heard you like chemistry, huh?
Not that kind of chemistry, you know, chemistry, the study of the properties of matter and how matter changes. By pouring the syrup into the milk and stirring it, this creates a solution. A solution is the process by which a gas, liquid, or solid is dispersed homogeneously in a gas, solid, or or liquid without chemical change.
This could be the new inside joke. Butter.
Matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space.
Like my ninja stick. Like my ninja stick. Like my ninja stick. Like my ninja stick.
Mixed together but not chemically combined. Two or more substances that are mixed together but not chemically combined.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
Guys, this is sugar, right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's not sugar. That is salt.
No. I want to make it look like Australia.
Hello there, my buttercups. I didn't. Not today. We're gonna be cooking with my butter.
When the pressure is decreased, the volume increased.
I still straight talking.
Katie, fix this for me.